Hello friends, my name is Rahul Chaudhary and today we are going to see a basic Python program using data type dictionary. So first of all, in the first line we have created a empty dictionary named favorite colors, and then we have created a variable called name where we will take the user input, which we will take the user input like user will enter the name. Then again we have created another variable called colors. Then we will ask the user to enter your favorite color. Then then in line number 10 we are adding the name and the color that we have taken from the user in our dictionary that we have created favorite colors, like favorite color bracket name and equal to color. So this will basically add the name and the color both that the user has provided into our empty list. So then in moving further in the line number 14, we are doing nothing but just printing the name, and we have written a sentence like your favorite color is the favorite color of for that particular name. Okay. And in next step we are just displaying the content that we have in our dictionary. Okay, in the form of key and value pair. Here the person which is written here is our key and the favorite color is our value. Okay, so let's run this program. So here it is asking for our name, enter your name. So let's enter name Rahul. Then it will, and that will, then it is asking for our favorite color. So let's say black. Then we will press enter. So Rahul, your favorite color is black. We are executing this line now. Rahul, your favorite color is black. And then we have all stored data Rahul black. Like this for loop is executing. Then this one, this print all stored data for person and favorite. Here the person and the fav color, these are the elements of dictionary. Like person is our key and the fav color is our value. In in is a membership operator, as we have discussed before also. And we are and the favorite color is our name of the dictionary. Dot item is nothing but a inbuilt function in Python which we use to iterate the items in the dictionary. That's it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.